riding on 604, by the way.
For the safety of yourself and those around you, stand well back from the yellow platform light. Hold your backpack in your hands and remain highly alert. Standing on the yellow line or using it to pass others can put you in immediate danger. High-speed trains can pass without warning, and the danger is real. Pour votre sécurité, certaines personnes devant vous,
I apologize for the shaking in the background. It is a really windy day. It's chilly, I suppose. Wow, it's warm out. Anyways, here comes 604. I'm also filming with my camera. Sorry about the shaking. Start to reach again, too.
That's Galen.